Riding or moving between cars is prohibited unless an emergency and directed by police or trained crew. NYPD uses this obscure law, a misdemeanor offense, to harass unwary passengers who walk through cars under the guise of quality of life, to fulfill their quotas of summons on the E-train. This is only, they set up a speed trap by standing in an idle train waiting for unwary passengers to walk through. But this is only practiced in Jamaica where the black and Hispanic people live. Not in World Trade or Tribeca where they're white tourists, where it's still against the law to walk between cars. Then they pull them off the train. They ask for ID and they check for warrants. It's just another form of stop and frisk. And they mainly just pull off black and Hispanic men, which is the target in Jamaica, Queens. This is where Sean Bell got 50 shots and where the police act different. Not in World Trade or Tribeca where the train ends up.